To replace the rotor and vanes in your RP-10, use a 9/16" wrench to remove the nut from the crankshaft and remove the crank assembly. Then, using a 5/16" wrench, remove the screws from the seal retainer bracket. Next, remove the cover plate screws using a 7/16" socket wrench. Remove the cover plate and extract the two seals from the rotor cover plate. Then remove the cover plate seal, shaft, rotor, vanes, and springs. If you need replacement parts, they can be ordered through our website. To install a new rotor and vanes, place the new rotor onto the hub inside the pump housing in the orientation shown. Then reinstall the shaft, aligning the dowel pin with the corresponding slot in the rotor as shown. Ensure the top of the rotor is flush with the edge of the housing and that the rotor can turn freely. Turn the rotor until one vane slot has maximum clearance between the edge of the rotor and the inside wall of the housing. Then position one end of a spring into the hole in a vane and slide the vane into the rotor slot as shown. While pushing the vane down, direct the free end of the spring downward toward the rotor hub. When the top edge of the vane is flush with the top edge of the housing and rotor, the spring should meet the seating hole in the rotor. Turn the rotor to fully engage and seat the spring. Repeat these steps for each vane and spring. After the springs and vanes are installed, install the cover plate seal into the groove of the cover plate. Then bolt the cover plate to the pump housing. Tighten the screws in an alternating pattern, ensuring the cover plate seal is not pinched. Then add the two shaft seals over the shaft. Insert the nitrile O-ring followed by the PTFE O-ring. Then bolt the retaining plate to the pump. Finally install the crank assembly to the pump housing. Test the pump for leaks and functionality. If you have any questions, you can call our support line and speak to a USA-based product support representative in our factory that will assist you with installation, maintenance, repair, and warranty questions. This responsive live service is our legacy and our commitment to you. Thank you for choosing GPI.